is tight. That is tight. They fixing on an airplane. Wow. I'm out here at some type of private plane thing in Smyrna. That's tight right here. This is tight. I'm at a place where they fix all the planes and stuff at in Smyrna. Man, it's nice. That's somehow they got small planes to all these planes right here. Dang, that's tight. That is tight. I ain't know if I supposed to be filming this or not, but shoot, I said, man, that's once in a lifetime stuff. All them planes. Yeah, this is where they come in and get the planes work on. Alright, go back out. I meant some type of base, airplane base. It's tight, man. So might well film this right here. Look at that. That's tight. Let's see. I'm gonna see if I can start filming some of this stuff when I go places that I ain't been before. I mean, some place. They'll be fixing on airplanes. That's who keep that maintenance people, whoever fixed. I mean, the mechanic people, whoever fixed on them planes. You know they making money. They probably making about 100,000 just to fix on them planes. Man. That's a nice sun. Look at how that sun's shining. Damn, make sure I ain't got no mud on my. Look, they playing music. Look at that mini. Look at that mini plane right there, man. That plane is small as jack. Look how small that plane is. That's not even a helicopter. That's a plane. And then you got the helicopter right there. You got that right there. Man, it's tight. Woo! God dang! Trying to mess up people's tires and stuff. Man, it's tight though. I like this. All this right here. I had to go all in the back. I had to go all in the back to this plane maintenance part, the mechanic part where they fix the planes and stuff at. But I'm at an area where it's all sectioned off. And they it's fenced up and everything. You gotta go through a gate. And I didn't know all this stuff was all back here. It's somehow, just in the city that you live in, it's got a lot of stuff that you don't even know about. And stuff that you just don't even know that is there. Take the next right. And I thought all this time, I thought all the planes and stuff was all at the airport. See, it's some type of military base too. So I guess it's where they fix military stuff at, cause this is like a maintenance place. Oh, that's where I gotta go with. Yeah, they got tanks and everything. So it's some type of place where they fix all this stuff at, military stuff and airplanes. But it's like its own little facilities. Like it's sectioned off in its own little neighbor. I mean, not neighbor thing, but it's all in this one. It's all in this facility where you gotta go through this one gate and you see all this stuff. So I'm trying to, cause I don't want to try to get some stuff because I don't know if I'm supposed to do this or not, film all this stuff. But I'm trying to get it. Hoping they don't. Hope I don't get in trouble. But man, it's tight. It's like a city. It's like a city inside itself, inside something else. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, look at that. Yep, I think this is where they come in to fix all this stuff. Military airplanes and helicopters and regular airplanes and helicopters and all that stuff. Look at all that, man. Come on, that's tight. And see, now this is the main gate that you go through just to get through all this stuff. Just to go to all this stuff, you gotta go through the main gate. So hold on for a minute. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, this is tight. It's something nobody never thought. I mean, you know, people I didn't think there was stuff like this out here like that.